Okay, now we would like to discuss dictionary data structure in Python. Dictionary is a unordered collection of items, and each item in dictionary has a key value pair. Previous data structures are only it contains values, but dictionary will contain key value pair, and key is separated from value by using a column, and everything will be stored represented in the form of parentheses, and each value in the dictionary must be separated by commas, and items stored in the dictionary will be accessed by using keys instead of offset. Previously in list data structure we are using offset for accessing the elements in the list, but when coming to the dictionary we can access the items in the dictionary by using only keys. Here indexing and slicing is not allowed in the dictionary because the items are unordered of elements, and dictionary are also called associate arrays and also called as bashes. And dictionary is a unordered collection of elements. So in which order you have inserted, same order you won't get the output, the order may be changed. So that's what is called unordered collection of items, and it allows heterogeneous objects. So it contains different types of data types. That means integer, float, character, string, any type of data we can store into a dictionary data structure. And dictionary can also grow and shrink. That means we can increase the elements in the dictionary, and also we can decrease the elements in the dictionary. That means grow and shrink can be done in the dictionary data structure. And dictionary is a mutable. Dictionary is a mutable. So this is very important point. Dictionary is a mutable. That means we can change the elements in the dictionary. That means we can add elements into a dictionary, we can remove elements from the dictionary, we can also update the elements in the dictionary. The whole dictionary is a mutable. But when coming to the dictionary consisting of two parts, one is key, another one is value. So what about those two? So dictionary values can be duplicated. Dictionary values can be duplicated, but keys must be unique. So dictionary keys always unique. That means dictionary keys cannot be duplicated, and dictionary keys cannot be mutable, but values can be mutable or immutable. Both are allowed in the case of value, because dictionary keys are used in hashing technique. Dictionary keys are used in hashing techniques. That's why unique keys must be exist. That can be done by using immutability. Values can be mutable or immutable, but always keys must be immutable. Dictionary keys are case sensitive. That means the dictionary key small a is different from capital A because it is a case sensitive. So small case letters and uppercase letters, and those are considered as a different keys in the case of a dictionary. So now we will see how to create a dictionary in Python. See here, so what is the syntax for creating dictionary in Python? These are the different methods to create dictionary in Python. The syntax is dictionary name, left side you have to specify equal to key, because dictionary is a key value pair. So key 1 colon value 1, this will be considered as one item. Key value is one item, and key 2 value 2 is another item. Like this key n value, and we can store n items into n elements into a dictionary. So each element must be separated by comma. So here creation of empty dictionary. How to create empty dictionary? Simply d equal to brackets. This is the creation of a empty dictionary. And creation of dictionary with integer keys. Keys must be integer I want to take. Then how to create a dictionary? So dict1 equal to, this is dictionary name. This is the dictionary name. Whatever name you want you can specify here, but here considered as a dict1 is a dictionary name, and 1 is a key 1, this is value 1. and 2 is a key 2 and this is the value 2. Similarly 3 is a key and view is a value. So 3 items are stored. This is one value, this is another value, and this is another value. 3 values we are storing into a dictionary. So value is nothing but a consisting of key and value. So the item in the dictionary is considered as a key value pair. That's why 1 is a key, Vignan is a value. Similarly 2 is a key, college is a value. Similarly 3 is a key and view is a value. So this is the way of creating dictionary with integer keys. Suppose I want to create a dictionary with mixed keys. That means here we are considering only integer keys. No, I don't want to consider integer keys. I want to create with mixed keys. Then we have to use like this dict2. That means this is a variable dictionary2 and name colon VID. This is the key and VID is a value. First you have to specify the key, next you have to specify the value. That is as per syntax. First you have to specify the key colon, next you have to specify the value. So in the same format, name is a key here, VID is a value. Similarly 1 is a key here and 1, 2, 3, this is list is nothing but a value here. So this is the dictionary with the mixed keys. That means here one key is string, another key is integer. Like this also we can store because it is a heterogeneous object. It is a collection of heterogeneous objects. That means we can store different types of keys and different types of values into a dictionary. And creating dictionary with DICT method. Using this method, DICT method, we can also create a dictionary. So this is a next one, DICT3 equal to DICT. See here, this is nothing but a set we are taking here, 1 Vignan, 2 INST, 3 VSKP, and I want to convert this set into a dictionary. I want to convert this set into a dictionary. That can be done by using this method called DICT. By using method DICT. So what is use of DICT? DICT is a method is used to convert the given values into a dictionary. Given values into a dictionary. So DICT always it takes only one argument. Always it takes only one argument. So the whole thing will be considered as only one argument, and whatever you have specified in the set, those will be converted into a dictionary. Okay. And creating a dictionary with each item as a pair. For example, this is the method DICT and 1 Vignan is one item, 2 view is another item. So here you see dictionary we are creating list of tuple. So list of tuple is allowed to create a dictionary, but tuple of list is not allowed. Tuple of list is not allowed to create a dictionary. Why? Because tuple is not allowed as a key in the dictionary because keys are unique. Because the keys are unique, that's why we cannot create tuple of list. That is not allowed. Okay. And next one is creating a nested dictionary. That means in a single dictionary we can also create another dictionary. Then it is called a nested dictionary. Suppose here you see 1 Vignan and 2 view. This is the second item, and third item, this is nothing but a third item we are taking here. 3 is nothing but A welcome, B is 2, and C is in ENGG. This is the another dictionary we are specifying as a value in the outer dictionary. So we can also specify the inner dictionary in an outer dictionary. This is called a nested dictionary. This is also allowed. So these are the different ways of creating dictionary in Python. So next one is accessing items in the dictionary. So how to access the items in the dictionary? Because here indexing slicing is not allowed. So how to access the elements in the dictionary? That can be done by using one method is we can access the values in the dictionary by using keys. That is one method. And second method is a get method. Second method is called a get method. There are two methods. One is simply by using keys and second method is by using get method. So using these two methods we can access the values in the dictionary. The first method is here you see, for example, we have created a dictionary D equal to, so name is a key here and Jack is the value of the name, and age is a key here and 26 is a value of the age. Now I want to print name, so D of name. So what is the output you will get here? Jack is the output you will get it here, because D of name is nothing but here key. So we can access the value by using key. We can access the value in the dictionary by using key. So I want to know the name. So D of name, if you print D of name, you will get the output is Jack. Suppose I want to print D of age. Print D of age. What is the output you will get? 26 you will get it. So that is one method. And second method is get method. Second method is a get method. Here you see print D dot get of age. Print D dot get of age. So what is the age value? 26. So this is the output you will get it. This is another method. So if you want to use get, we have to use D dot get. We have to use like this, D dot dictionary dot get of age. So what is the value in the age, that will be printed as output. So 26 will get the output. And also you can write D of age. D of age, you will get the output 26. So this is one method, that is another method. D of age and D dot get of age, both you will get the output is same, 26 you will get the output. But here you see get, you have to use the bracket. Get, you have to use this bracket. This bracket you have to use for get method. Okay. And print D dot get address. Print D dot get address. Address is not there in the D. Address is not available. Address is a key not available in the D. That's why you will get the output is none. You will get the output is none. And next one is print D of address. Print D of address. So address is not available. That's why you will get here key error. So that is the difference between accessing by using key and by using get method. So if you use a get method, if the key is not available, you won't get any error. Simply you will get output is none. Suppose if you are accessing by using key D of address, you will get a error because the address key is not available in the dictionary D. That's why you will get an error, key error. If you don't want to get error, then you have to use a method called get method. Then you have to use a method called get method. But here you see print D dot get of address. If it is not available, address is not available, you can also specify the value. We can also specify the value. And for example, here you see, suppose I have given print D dot get of address comma VSP. You can also use like this. You can also use like this. In this case, what will happen here? So the address keys will be searched in the dictionary D. The address key is verified in the dictionary D. If the key is available, then it will return the value. If the key is not available, it will return the output is VSP. It will return the output is VSP. That is nothing but this is a default value. We can consider it as a default value. If key is available, then it will return the value. Otherwise, it will return the VSP. If you don't use this VSP, you will get the value none. Suppose the address is not available, then you will get the output is none. You will get the output. So this is the get method. There are in get method also we can use two parameters. One is key value, another one is a default value. You can specify if the key is not available, it will get method will return the default value. That is also we can use in the get method. So these are the two methods to access values in the dictionary. And next one is changing and adding dictionary elements. That means if you want to modify the values in the dictionary, and also if you want to add new key values into a key and values into a dictionary, what are the methods available? Here you see, to add new entry key value pair in dictionary, just specify the key value pair. The syntax is, this is the syntax. If you want to add key value pair into a dictionary, what is the syntax here? Dictionary variable of key equal to value. So that key value pair will be inserted into a dictionary variable. Inserted into a dictionary variable. Suppose consider here you see D equal to roll number equal to 16, name equal to RO, and course equal to BTech. These are the three values we are taking into D. So key values are RNO, name and course, and values are 16, RO and BTech. Suppose here print roll number, comma, D of RNO, D of RNO. So what is the output you will get it here? You will get the output. D of RNO means 16 you will get the output. 16 you will get the output. Print name, D of name. What is the output you will get it here? You will get the output RO. Just now I told we can access by using key. So course, D of course. What is the output you will get here? BTech. BTech is the output you will get it. Now D of marks equal to 95. Here you see name is available, roll number is available, name is available, course is available. Now I want to add marks. Now I want to add marks into this dictionary. Simply you have to use this syntax. Dictionary, what is the name of the dictionary here? D. D is the name. So D of key. What is the key I want to add? Marks. And what is the value I want to specify? 95. So D of marks equal to 95. So after adding this marks 95 into a dictionary key value pair, suppose print marks comma D of marks. What is the output you will get here? 95 will get the output. 95 will get the output. So here you see, you may get a doubt. Suppose marks is already existing. Marks key is already existing. What will happen? Suppose you see in this example, D of course equal to MTech. D of course equal to MTech. So already course is there. Already course is there. Key value. What is the value existing? BTech. Now course will be updated to MTech. Course will be updated to MTech. So entry is updated in the dictionary. Suppose I will print D value. What is the output you will get? RNO 16. Name is RO. And course is MTech will be modified and marks equal to 95. Marks equal to 95. So these are the values you will get the output in the dictionary. So here you have to use colon. Here you have to use a colon. Okay. So this is the, we can add by using simply this syntax, dictionary of key equal to value, and also D of course equal to MTech, we can update the value. Suppose I have taken D equal to brackets 1 colon A, comma 2 colon B, comma 1 colon C, comma 1 colon D. Suppose I have created a dictionary like this: 1 key value A, 2 key value B, 1 colon C, 1 colon D. So these are the 4 items I want to add into your dictionary D. Here you see, sir, you told the dictionary does not allow duplicate values for the key. Does not allow duplicate values for the key. Then what will happen in this case? Here you see, first key value 1, key is the 1, what is the value? A. And key is 2, what is the value? B. Next you see, key is 1, C. That means this will be updated with this new value. This will be exist, this will not be exist. Okay. So 1 key value, key consisting of value C. So 1 colon C will be updated instead of 1 column A, and 1 colon D. So here what will happen? 1 column C will be updated with 1 colon D. So what is the output? Suppose I will write print D. I will write print D. What is the output you will get here? So you will get the value 1 colon D, comma 2 colon B. 2 colon B, you will get the output. So if you specifying key values multiple times, then what will happen? Always it update the recent value into a key. Recent value into a key. Duplicate keys are existing, then this will be evaluated in this way in the Python. And next one is a removing element from a dictionary. So now we have seen how to access elements in the dictionary. First we have seen how to create a dictionary, how to access the elements in the dictionary, and how to add and modify the elements in the dictionary. Now we will see how to remove an element from a dictionary. So to delete one or more items can be done by using del keyword. By using del keyword, we can delete the key value pair from the dictionary. So if you want to delete all, remove all items, then we have to use clear function. Del is used to delete only a particular key value pair, but clear is used to to delete, to clear all the elements in the dictionary, to delete all the elements in the dictionary. Whenever you use clear function, the items in the dictionary will be empty. The items in the dictionary will be empty. So finally, remove an item, entry dictionary from the memory, we can use the del statement. We can also use a del statement. So using del statement, we can delete a particular key value pair. You can also delete total dictionary from the memory. Total dictionary from the memory by using del statement. So both ways we can use the del statement, but clear is to clear all the elements in the dictionary. Dictionary will exist in the case of clear, but no items will be available. But in the case of del, suppose dictionary name you can specify, then total dictionary will be removed from the memory. Total dictionary will be removed from the memory. We can also delete a particular key value pair also by using del. So we will see all these three. The first, suppose I created a dictionary D equal to RNO 16. Here colon you have to use here. Okay. So RNO 16 name RO course BTech and print roll number D of RNO. D of RN. What is the output? You will get the value 16. Suppose print name, D of name, what is the output you will get here? RO. RO you will get the output. Print course, D of course, what is the output you will get here? BTech. BTech you will get the output. Del D of course. Del D of course means the course will be deleted from the dictionary. So after deleting, suppose I will print D. Print D. What is the output you will get it here? You will get D equal to RNO equal to, you will get the value 16, column 16, comma, and name equal to RO. Name equal to, name colon, you will get the value RO. So roll number 16, name equal to RO, you will get the output. Course will be deleted. Course will be deleted. So D dot clear means, so it will clear all the, after clear function, no elements in the dictionary. So what is the output? You will get D equal to empty brackets only. Empty brackets only you will get, because it will clear all the elements in the dictionary. Suppose del D, print D means D is not defined, D is not available, D is not available, because del D means D will be deleted from the memory. D dot clear means only we can remove all the elements from the dictionary. So that is the difference between, so del D of course means particular key value pair will be removed from the dictionary. D dot clear means it will delete all the elements in the dictionary. So del D means simply dictionary will be removed from the dictionary. D will be removed from the dictionary. So these are the removing elements from the dictionary. Apart from these also, there are another methods are available. Those are, we will see here. So one is called pop method and second one is called pop item method. Another one is called pop method and pop item method. Suppose we have created dictionary 1 column 1, 2 column 4, 3 column 9, 4 column 16, 5 column 25. Print s dot pop of 4. Print s dot pop of 4. That means I want to delete key item 4. Key item 4. Here you see 4 consisting of 4 colon 16. This is the key. This is the value. So like this key value, key value, key value. So this is nothing but a key. So s dot pop of 4 means 4 column 16 will be removed from the dictionary. So print s means it will print 1, 2, 3, 5. So 4 will be removed from the dictionary. So a particular key value can be deleted from the dictionary by using pop method also. By using pop method. So here you see print marks is s dot pop marks comma 0. S dot pop marks. S is a dictionary here. Pop of marks is a key. Marks is a key. Actually marks is not available in S. That's why it will return the default value. It will return the default. What is the default value here? 0. That's why you'll get output is 0. If the particular key is existing, then it will return the a particular marks will be returned. Otherwise, default value, whatever value has specified, the default value will be returned. So here default value is 0, that's why we got the output is 0. And also we can use s dot pop item, and also we can use another method called s dot pop item. So s dot pop item means it will delete key value pair randomly from the dictionary. Whatever key value pair will be deleted, arbitrarily it will remove the item. That's why suppose print s, after removing s dot pop item, you will get the output 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, you will get the output, and 5 is deleted. 5 is deleted. It may delete 4, it may delete 3, it may delete 1, it may delete 2. Which one is deleted, we don't know. Generally last item will be deleted. That's why you got the output 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 9, you will get the output. So these are the two methods. One is a del method, and second one is a del can also be used to delete dictionary. Total dictionary can be removed from the memory. That is another method. And d dot clear method, and d dot pop, d dot pop, and d dot pop item, d dot pop item. So these are the methods available to remove an element or a elements from the dictionary. See, d of, for example, dict of key. So this is used to delete a particular key value pair from the dictionary. This is used to delete total dictionary from the memory. And d dot clear means I want to remove all the items in the dictionary, and after executing this you will get the empty dictionary as an output. And d dot pop, the particular key value pair can be deleted by using pop method, and pop item is arbitrarily it will remove an item from the dictionary. So these are the methods available to delete a key value pair from the dictionary. And next one is dictionary built-in functions. Built-in functions, all is one function, it returns true if all keys of the dictionary are true. That means dictionary consisting of key value pair, if all keys are true, then the output is true, otherwise you will get the output is false. If the dictionary is empty also, you will get the output is true. And any means it return true if any of the dictionary is true. Any of the dictionary key is true, then output is true. And length is to find the number of items in the dictionary can be find by using length method, len. And CMP it compare two dictionaries, but it is not available in Python 3. And sorted, it returns new sorted list of keys in the dictionary. Suppose I want to sort all the items in the dictionary by using a keys, then you have to use a method called sorted method. We will see one by one here. So here this is the built-in, suppose built-in functions. Squares is a dictionary name. Squares is the dictionary name here. This is the name of the dictionary. So 0, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So 0, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are nothing but keys, and values are 0, 1, 9, 25, 49 and 81. Now print all is, all keys must be true, but here 0 is existing. 0 is existing. 0 means false. That's why you will get the output is false. Output is false. All keys must be true, then only you will get output is true. But if one of the keys is false, then output is false. Print any of squares. That means if any of the key is true, then you will get the output is true. So 1 is true, 3 is true, so the output is any one key is true, then output is true, you will get it in the case of any. And print length of len of squares. So how many items are exist here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So output is 6, you will get it here. And print sorted of squares. That means the keys will be printed in a sorted order, and always the sorted function will return list as output. Always sorted function will give output in the form of list only. So what are the keys here? 0, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So output is 0, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. This is the output, and this will be represented as a list. This will be represented as a list, because this function, sorted function, always it returns the output in the form of list. In the form of list, that's why you got the output is list. All the key values will get the output. Sorted order, in a sorted order. And these are the built-in functions available in